What's up, YouTube? I'm shocked to find this, right? People make a big deal sometimes about aftermarket welds and, you know, the stuff that we do here, and like, oh, that weld's ugly, this weld's that, this weld's this. This is a 2020 what?
GMC Sierra.
2020 GMC Sierra. Leaking welds right from the OEM. You see that? Black soot? Come underneath and look, Dylan.
I see it from here.
Right there. Brand new. It's basically a brand new truck.
I still like Chevy.
It has 17,000 miles on it.
I still love Chevy GMC. You too. What's your favorite truck? Just curious. What's your favorite truck? Let us know.
For longevity, quality, sitting right there in that bay.
That's a lie. Buy a fucking Ram.